Hello, today we want to print our own motorcycle part. That one is a chain starter from an Aprilia RX 125, how they get built from 1993 to 1998. And as you can see, that one is pretty damaged. The first reason is because of the age, because it's a very old part. The second one is because of the chain, which cuts through the plastic. And the third point is because of oil, grease and the sun. The plastic already starts to dissolve itself, so we need a new one. Unfortunately, it's not easy to get your hands on these kind of spare parts anymore, so we will make it on our own. I already took some measurements, and now let's see if we can make it. At first, we are designing a 3D model with an CAD software. There's already an impressive amount of freeware on the internet, and I recommend don't make the model too complex, because it will make the print more easier. And after that, you put your part in a slicing software. There's already a lot of freeware on the market. In that you put all your parameters for your 3D printer, like the layer height, the fill density, the speed, the diameter of the filament, the temperature of the extruder and the bed, if you have one, and if you use retraction and so on and so on. All these parameters depending on the filament, the part and the printer, so it's sometimes some trial and error. So the printing can start. And there it is.